Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a virtual controller. A virtual controller allows you to emulate a physical gamepad or input device using software, often on a smartphone or tablet. This is incredibly useful for gaming, controlling media, or even navigating presentations remotely. It eliminates the need for dedicated hardware, offering flexibility and convenience across various platforms. You can connect it to your computer or other devices wirelessly, typically via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, providing a seamless control experience. Setting up your virtual controller is straightforward. First, download and install the appropriate virtual controller application on your mobile device and the corresponding server software on your computer. Ensure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network or paired via Bluetooth. Follow the on-screen prompts to establish the connection, which usually takes less than 1 minute. You might need to grant specific permissions for the application to function correctly, allowing it to send input commands to your system. Once connected, customizing your virtual controller is key to a great experience. Most applications offer extensive options to map buttons, assign gestures, and even create custom layouts for different games or applications. You can adjust sensitivity settings for joysticks and trackpads, and some even support motion controls. Experiment with various configurations to find what feels most intuitive for you. Many users find that spending 10 to 15 minutes on initial setup significantly enhances their long-term usability. Even with careful setup, you might encounter minor issues. If your controller isn't responding, first check your network connection or Bluetooth pairing. Restarting both the application and the server software often resolves connectivity glitches. For optimal performance, ensure your device's battery is sufficiently charged and close any unnecessary background applications. Regularly updating the software on both ends is also crucial for security and accessing new features, typically released every few months, ensuring a smooth and reliable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.